Good evening, and special welcome to our guest of honor, which is to be appearing, Mr. Frank Scarpetti, the Mayor of Markham, Ms. Diana Wang, Vice Consul of our Consulate General of our PRC China, and councillors of City of Markham, Richmond Hill, and our talented chefs, distributors, customers, and other distinguished guests. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Tongzhen and our partner in Toronto, we feel most honored to have you all here to join us today as our guests, and may we wish you all present a prosperous and energetic year of the snake. Tonight's celebration dinner is the result of the hard work and inspirations of all the chefs here. The dishes we are going to enjoy represent a team effort, your talent, your skills, and our products. And we shall see how traditional Chinese dishes can be made even better in a truly modern way. As tonight's event will also demonstrate the preparation and presentations of fine food is central to our Chinese way of life. There is no greater expressions of family and community unity than sitting down to enjoy a magnificent meal together. Tongzhen has come a long way from the preserved fruit, vegetables, and soy sauce of my grandfather's day, which was about 100 years ago. We now offer a wide range of sauces, condiments, preserved ginger, vinegars, oils, and starch products. But we remain that special Hong Kong entity, a three-generation family business, built up with passion and determination through good times and bad times. We are also very proud to provide our customers and distributors with the best quality products, using only the most pure ingredients to satisfy today's health-conscious consumers. We use only Canadian yellow beans in our soy product soy sauce, and the highest grade starch from the United States and Australia. Our factories operate to the advanced international standards, regular third-party hygiene and environment check, and we strive for the best practice always. So we remain one of the very few companies that can say made in Hong Kong on the labels. So all in all, I think we are already a bit hungry. So anyway, I'll cut my words short, and I wish you all here, since we are celebrating the Chinese New Year, may I wish you all again a very prosperous New Year. 晚上好，童真廚王顯身手嘅活動呢，承蒙大家嘅支持，我代表其他人呢，非常感謝大家嘅嚟臨。本人必須特別感謝萬錦市嘅市長 Frank Scarpetti 先生，中國駐加拿大領事代表黃立女士，同埋所有參加嘅市議員、香港經貿處同埋香港旅遊發展局嘅代表嚟臨，擔任此次活動嘅主禮嘉賓。今日係大年19，我喺呢處呢謹代表童真同仁、新媽嘅郭先生、伍小姐同各位拜年，祝大家蛇年嘅做生意嘅生意興隆、財源廣進。喺政府同埋搞社會事務嘅事事順境、步步高升，拍拖嘅朋友呢，早啲拉埋天窗，最好啊3年抱兩添啊！家裏面有小朋友嘅快高長大，考試有優有良。咁另外，我仲更加必須感謝參與呢次活動，為我哋精心炮製美食佳肴嘅各位大廚，以及各位熱心嘅嘉賓。由於得到各位業內精英以及社會上嘅翹楚一起咁參與，童真廚王顯身手呢就顯得更加有意義。今晚我哋濟濟一堂，其中一個重要嘅目的係推廣我哋中國嘅美食文化，由各位大廚為我哋示範，利用公司嘅產品去令原本已經美味嘅菜式變得更加精彩。各位大廚施展溫身解數，將食材嘅美味發揮得淋漓盡致。佢哋13位其實都係大獎嘅得主，其中一位呢經大家評審之後呢，將會更加成為童真嘅廚王。好啦，大家都可能等到肚餓㗎啦，希望大家仔細咁欣賞各位大廚為大家精心炮製嘅菜式。再次祝大家蛇年行大運， 生意興隆，財源廣進，身體健康。多謝大家。